you from?
I'm from Sicily. Sicily is in the far southern part of Italy. It's the island in the west side, the big island in the southwest of Italy.
Mm-hmm. And what should we know about Sicilian wines?
About Sicilian wines, first of all, it's better to know what about the area where I produce my wine. We are in the far west side of Sicily. It's the biggest area of grape production in all over Sicily, and in the far west side of Sicily is the area where the Marsala wine was born. Marsala wine is a wine made with the Grillo, so the Grillo grape is the most important grape of my area. And there is the Trapani region, so the really far west side of Sicily. Mm-hmm. In Sicily, about Sicilian wine, there is a lot of things to say because I have not enough time to tell you everything about. But it's Sicily is a very big area for production, and it's has a very big grape varietals, native grape varietals. In the west side of Sicily, the most important grape are the Nero d'Avola for the red wine, so as a black grape, and the Grillo for the white grape. And with these two grapes, we try to make good wine for our customers.
What is characteristic about Grillo?
The Grillo grape is a very special grape by my point. Actually, the old people say that it's a grape that with a very warm night, mm-hmm. It's a grape that could take a lot of sugar degree in one night or in one day long. So it's a very delicate grape that if you are planning to make a dry wine, you can forget it and think about a sweet wine. We put very care. We have 80 hectares of vineyards in Trapani, and working with our own grape, we know quite everything about the grapes, about the meteo, about also our terroir. So what we try to do is to present three different kinds of Grillo. We have a Grillo stainless steel vinified, a Grillo aged in acacia wood, and a Grillo as a sweet wine, a late harvest Grillo. That's because the Grillo is a so complex grape. It's delicate but a lot of complexity. It's a grape that gives minerality and salinity to the wine. So it's a very versatile grape. And basta.
And Nero d'Avola?
Nero d'Avola, it's a grape that it's much more in the western side of Sicily, but it's something that you can really find in all over Sicily. And also in this case, it's a grape that adapted very well on the terroir. And so any area of Sicily could have a different Nero d'Avola expression. And just because every year and during all the period of the years, so during all the season, we study on the Nero d'Avola as well. Also, the hand of the man could give different personality to the Nero d'Avola. Generally, the Nero d'Avola is a root grape, mm-hmm. But if you take care about, and if you know it very well, you can also have a very elegant wine. It's a root grape because has a great acidity, a big bouquet. In my case, we put the focus, in all our wines, we put the focus on the freshness and the drinkability of the wine. So we prefer the freshness and the elegance of the Nero d'Avola, where the cherry is the first smelt you find in it. For the Nero d'Avola, we also present three different Nero d'Avola. A Nero d'Avola rosé, where the cherry, a sort of fresh, very fresh cherry, a sort of crunchy cherry, with a big strawberry fruit found in a glass. You have a Nero d'Avola stainless steel vinified and a Nero d'Avola aged in second and barrique and in Tomba. Mm-hmm. The white and the red for each kind of vinification give the three different expressions of the Grillo and of the Neurodavol, of course. My wines, above all, the style is still vinified, so that we think are our everyday wines, if you want. Of course, as easy matches with Italian or with Sicilian food. So with the fish, in special the Neurodavol, for example, for the tuna fish. But going around Warsaw, I taste the côtelette mielonde. It's something of very fun for me, finding a special dish of, in this case, of Poland that could be matched very well with my Neurodavol, for example.